Welcome back. This is RER Deals of the Week. I'm Ankit.
And I'm Jeff.
We're going to be talking deals for the week of July 5th to July 12th. We're going to go over to the Hudson first, as we usually do. Jeff, we got anything for these guys in the Hudson this week?
Unfortunately, again, Hudson City, we don't have anything. Saw 15 listings come on the market, none of which met our criteria again. Unfortunately, that market is much smaller than Newark. It doesn't have as many listings come up, so it's a little bit tougher to find real deals of the week over there. But when we do, we definitely let you guys know.
So, unfortunately, this week it's also another bupkis in Hudson County. So we'll move over to Essex County. In Essex, we got two deals of the week for you guys. We'll discuss them, but before we do, we'll remind you of the key assumptions that we always do. The key assumptions are 100% of list price as the purchase price. Interest rate is 5% for a 30-year mortgage rate. Insurance is $1,500 per year. Management fee is 8% of each month's rent. Maintenance is 1% of purchase price per year. Utility cost is $92 per unit per month. Down payment is 25% and a vacancy rate of 9.1%. Now remember, this is just our average assumptions. It'll be different for each person given your financial background and then your credit situation as well. So Jeff, what's the first deal we got for these fellas?
First deal is 709 South 15th Street. This is a fully renovated two-family property. Large unit sizes, 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom. This one offers some great cash flow with the fully renovated. It has tenants in place. And you're looking at 32% on a levered cash flow basis and a cap rate of about 13, which is pretty solid.
Now, the only risk in that deal, obviously, it's a two-family, so there can be a degradation in your market value pretty quickly if fixed-up comps sell cheaper. So that's something you have to be aware of. So this is truly going to be for a long-term investor. Is that correct, Jeff?
Definitely. The two-family market is not as strong as the three-family market currently from our experience and what we've been looking at in the area. However, it does offer some good deals because of that.
All right, so that's the two-family market deal. Remember, it's a deal that you got to be aware of. You got to be a long-term investor and a long-term buy and hold investor to take advantage of the two-family market at times, because if it does go south, it can go against you, but you will have the solid cash flow to hedge against that risk. So just keep that in mind as you decided this is a deal of the week for you or not. So the next deal that we got is 30 Astor Street. It's in the South Broad Street section of Newark. It buttresses Clinton Hill and it buttresses Ironbound. So it's not a bad neighborhood. This deal actually was on the market originally in 2010 as a distressed deal. Then it got renovated and it recently had a price drop, so it came onto our radar screen. 30 half Astor Street's a 3-family asset. It's got 13 rooms, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's currently 2 of the units are rented, 1 of them is vacant. If we assumed all in-place cash flow, you're looking at a cap rate of about 12.17%. That's about $1,600 per month, or a levered rate of return of almost 29.3% based on the assumptions we spoke about. So that's a key deal. The only risk in this deal, in my opinion, is I like the location. It's a little close to Clinton Hill for my taste, but I don't like the fact that it's a semi-attached house. Jeff, what's your thoughts on that?
The semi-attached definitely reduces the value, so when you're comping out properties, you're going to have to keep that in mind. You're not going to get the same value out of it as you would a detached property. However, I like the deal. It's a renovated property, 3-family, in a decent area, not the greatest, but certainly not the worst by far.
So is this your deal of the week?
It is. Yeah, I would go that one over the 2-family.
I actually second that motion as well. See, we get to agree once in a while at work. 30 and a half Astor Street is the deal of the week for Newark. Those are the deals that we spoke about. Just a quick reminder, nothing in Hudson County this week as in last week, but as soon as it comes up, Jeffrey will be on it or I'll be on it to let you guys know at our next episode. 2 deals got spoken about this week in Newark, and the deal of the week was 30 Astor Street. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Ankit.
And I'm Jeff.
This is our Deals of the Week.